Welcome to this video on the 12-factor app methodology. This is a fundamental framework for building cloud-native applications that are designed to run efficiently in modern cloud environments. The 12-factor app provides a set of principles that help developers create software as a service applications that are portable, scalable, and maintainable. These principles were developed by engineers at Heroku and have become the industry standard for building applications that can thrive in cloud platforms. Throughout this video, we'll explore each of these 12 factors and understand why they matter for modern application development. The 12-factor app is a methodology specifically designed for building software as a service applications. It provides a comprehensive set of best practices that ensure your applications are portable across different cloud platforms, can scale easily as demand grows, and remain maintainable over time. This methodology was created by developers at Heroku as an open-source manifesto to address common challenges in cloud-native application development. The principles help teams avoid technical debt, improve collaboration between developers, and build applications that can adapt to changing requirements. Whether you're building a new application from scratch or modernizing an existing one, these 12 factors provide a solid foundation for success in the cloud. Let's begin exploring the 12 factors. Factor number 1 is codebase. This principle states that you should have one codebase tracked in version control with many deploys. This means all your application code lives in a single repository, like GitHub, but can be deployed to multiple environments such as development, staging, and production. Factor number 2 is dependencies. You must explicitly declare and isolate all dependencies. Instead of relying on system-wide packages, your application should clearly specify every library and its exact version that it needs to run. This ensures consistency across all environments. Factor number 3 is config. Store all configuration in the environment, not in your code. This includes database credentials, API keys, and environment-specific settings. Configuration should be injected through environment variables, keeping your code base clean and secure. Factor number 4 is backing services. Treat all backing services as attached resources. Whether it's a database, message queue, or external API, your application should access these services through URLs or connection strings stored in configuration. This allows you to swap services without changing code. Factor number 5 is build, release, run. Strictly separate the build and run stages of your application. The build stage converts code into an executable bundle, the release stage combines that bundle with configuration, and the run stage executes the application. This separation ensures consistency and makes rollbacks easier. Factor number 6 is processes. Execute your application as one or more stateless processes. Each process should be independent and not store session state locally. Any data that needs to persist should be stored in a backing service like a database. This enables horizontal scaling and improves reliability. Factor number 7 is port binding. Export services via port binding. Your application should be self-contained and not rely on a separate web server being injected at runtime. Instead, it should bind to a port and listen for incoming requests. This makes your application portable and easy to run in any environment. Factor number 8 is concurrency. Scale out via the process model. Instead of making a single process bigger, you should run multiple copies of your application. This horizontal scaling approach allows you to handle more traffic by adding more instances rather than upgrading hardware. Factor number 9 is disposability. Maximize robustness with fast startup and graceful shutdown. Your application processes should start quickly and shut down cleanly. They should be able to handle sudden termination and recover gracefully. This disposability enables rapid deployment, elastic scaling, and robust production environments. Factor number 10 is dev-prod parity. Keep development, staging, and production environments as similar as possible. Minimize the gaps between these environments to enable continuous deployment and catch issues early. Use the same backing services and configuration structure across all environments. Factor number 11 is logs. Treat logs as event streams. Your application should not manage log files or handle log routing. Instead, it should write all logs to standard output as a stream of events. The execution environment can then collect, route, and store these logs as needed. Factor number 12 is admin processes. Run administrative and management tasks as one-off processes. Database migrations, console commands, or scheduled scripts should run in the same environment as your application using the same code base and configuration. This ensures consistency and reduces the risk of errors. Following the 12-factor app methodology provides significant benefits for your applications and teams. First, you gain portability. Your applications can deploy seamlessly across different cloud platforms without vendor lock-in. Second, you achieve scalability. Applications can scale horizontally with ease by adding more instances rather than upgrading hardware. Third, you improve maintainability. The clean architecture and separation of concerns make applications easier to understand, update, and debug over time. Finally, you increase agility. The methodology enables rapid deployment and continuous delivery, allowing you to ship new features and fixes quickly and safely. These benefits compound over time, making your development process more efficient and your applications more resilient. The 12-factor app methodology matters because it provides a universal framework for building modern cloud-native applications. In today's world, applications need to be resilient enough to handle failures, maintainable enough to evolve over time, and ready for continuous deployment in any cloud environment. By following these 12 principles, you create applications that are not just functional, but truly cloud-native. They can take full advantage of modern platform capabilities, scale to meet demand, and adapt to changing business needs. Whether you're a startup building your first product or an enterprise modernizing legacy systems, the 12-factor app methodology gives you a proven path to success in the cloud. These principles have stood the test of time and continue to guide the development of robust, scalable applications across the industry.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.